Now we are going to learn how to make kimono sleeves. For making the kimono sleeve, we will first trace the front on grain. Then we will take the 0.5 inches gap from the lowest shoulder point, and then we will trace the back like this, matching the shoulder line on 0.5 and highest shoulder point. We'll trace out the back. Then we will take the center of this 0.5 inches and we will mark the grain line for the sleeves, and then we will add the sleeve. Now I will show you how to make kimono sleeves. We will first trace the front on line like this. This is my online grain, and on this line I'm going to trace the front by matching the center front. I will mark the outlinings of my front bodice block. I have completed with my front. Then I will take the 0.5 inches gap from the lowest shoulder point and the center of this line like this. Now I will trace the back like this. My center back line will come like this. Now I'm tracing my center back, my back bodice block. This is my front and this is my back. Now I'm going to mark the center line, grain line for my sleeves like this. Now I will add my sleeves. I will point on fold line on this mark like this, and I will trace the back portion, front on front side and back on back side like this. Like this we have done. So as kimono cut on with bodies, so I'll show you now how kimono is cut. Now we will add 1.5 inches on the side seam of front and side seam of back point is 1.5 inches, and join it with the curve with the armhole with the sleeve side seam line like here and here, and then we will cut it in the shape from here, curve in this, and then bottom of sleeve, then this curve. So this is the cutout for the kimono sleeves, as this is my front attached with the sleeves here, and this will be the back. This is on fold, so it will come like this. In the kimono portion, this will also come on fold as in left or right side of the front and back, so we can only stitch from the side seams. So this is our kimono sleeves attached with the bodies.